On South Africa's east coast, a landmark is taking shape, the Msikaba Bridge, one of the continent's largest cable-stayed bridges. During the complex installation of the massive anchor blocks, the welding process introduced thermal stress. The stress led to unwanted deformation of the base plates, with deflections ranging between 1 and 3.5 millimeters. These distortions meant that a complete, full-surface connection to the bearing plates could no longer be guaranteed. This seemingly small gap created a major structural concern. Without full connect between base and bearing plates, the enormous tensile forces from the stay cables would not be transferred safely into the foundation, putting the entire anchorage system at risk. To restore structural integrity, a proven high-performance solution was implemented: MM1018, the Liquid-Shim. First, the annular gap was carefully sealed around the base plate. Then, MM1018 was injected into the cavity through designated inlets and venting ports. The fluid filled every void, adapting perfectly to the irregular shape of deformation, ensuring seamless load transfer. The result was a fully restored, form-fit connection between base and bearing plates. MM1018 created a permanent, high-strength interface capable of transferring even the highest loads reliably. A critical success for the long-term safety and performance of the stay cable anchorage. MM1018 isn't just a product. It's a global solution trusted by engineers and infrastructure specialists around the world. Engineered in Germany and proven in countless high-stakes projects across continents. Visit us on our website and get more information about our products.